Presenting a pre-owned 2005 Chevrolet Colorado. This four-door truck has a 5-cylinder, 3.5-liter i5 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 112,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has original paint, has no dents, and has been fully detailed. It has had all scheduled maintenance completed. Key features include towing package, CD changer, MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, and power steering.